Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you are quite well, and finally I am back after a long time. Now here, Multipurpose Customizable 2024 calendar design for Photoshop. You can full customize in Photoshop. Here cover page and other is calendar. Okay, but these are protected. Password in this website or in this application, you need subscription for lifetime, just in $16 one time payment. Okay, then you can get every file. Okay, so I know you know how to customize files. For example, I open this one in here layer area. You can change image, I mean you can apply your image, your text, your company brand name, logo here, your website or email, and also put your information of your company. Okay, and here background, you can change also background. For all our same design, just put your own background or own text of your company. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me, and you need subscription for access of these files. Take care, Allah Hafiz.